Hello everyone, this is Casey with iTab POS. Hope you're all having a great day so far. Today we're going to be taking a look at some features and functions available for coffee shops in iTab POS. Let's dive in. You'll start your day by clocking into the system with your assigned PIN. Once you're clocked in, you're ready to start inputting orders. Before we start talking about inputting orders, let's take a look at some features about customer information. A customer walks in and I recognize him immediately. At the top of the screen, you can pull down a list of customers who have recently visited your store. You can also look up using their name, email, or phone number. If you don't see them in the system, click Add New to create a new profile. Once you've located your customer, you can pull up their profile and see more information about them. Let's take a look at what Jerry has in his profile. The customer profile allows you to store and access information about your customers with ease. Basic information such as name, email, phone number serve as ways to look them up. Other fields such as birthday, address, credit card, and notes unlock powerful functions of the system. Birthday, for example, gives you the data to run automated email campaigns through MailChimp, which is directly integrated with iTab POS. All address features are directly integrated with Google Maps API and is a great feature if you offer delivery. Another nice feature is the ability to store a customer's credit card on file, what we like to call a house account. Assign a balance amount in advance or charge as you go. This is more typical in a country club, hotel, or establishments with memberships, who have customers that regularly visit and charge things to their account. Setting up a limit per transaction or overall account limit is also doable. Another handy feature includes customer notes, allowing you to save their preferences or if they have allergies to certain things. You can even take a picture of your customer if you wanted to. Lastly, a very useful feature found in customer profiles are previous orders. If Jerry orders the same drink every visit, you can select that item from previous orders, and all its modifiers are automatically carried over from the previous order to the new one. For this order, Jerry wants his usual cappuccino, but he'd also like to treat his coworkers to some tasty beverages. Our coffee and espresso categories include blended drinks, non-espresso drinks, and specialty espresso drinks. All of your categories appear at the top of the screen, or you can click the little down arrow to view all the various categories available. Let's take a look at what we have available for specialty espresso. Jerry decides to get an iced white chocolate mocha for his coworker. Simple. I'll select the white chocolate mocha from the menu, and from there, the system will prompt me to select modifiers for the drink size, any additional flavors, and so on and so forth. So we went ahead and selected iced with a 20 ounce. For any modifiers that don't require a selection, I can simply click through the headers of each modifier group, or I can just hit the done button below. Jerry's other coworker isn't a coffee kind of person, so we'll go with something from the non-espresso drinks instead. He'll go with the organic loose leaf tea, and before we pick anything else, we have to pick the size of the drink. Let's go with the 16 ounce tea. Next we have to choose from our excellent selection of loose leaf teas. Before I make a selection, you can see that this particular modifier group only applies to organic loose leaf teas. An awesome thing about our system is that you can have a modifier group apply to either a single item, an entire subcategory of a group, or the entire group itself. Let's go with a classic Earl Grey loose leaf tea, and we'll select hot for the temperature. We don't need to add any dairy or flavored syrups here, so I'm going to go ahead and click the done button. Lastly, Jerry is going to order a blended drink. Let's head over to the blended drinks subcategory. From our tasty selection of blended drinks, we'll go with the caramel macchiato. First things first, we'll pick the size of the drink. We excluded the temperature modifier group from this subcategory because we already know it's all blended with ice. Jerry's coworker is lactose intolerant, so we'll go with the soy milk substitute. Note that it is a 75-cent additional charge for a 16-ounce drink for soy milk. And we'll finally add a few pumps of chocolate and caramel to further enhance the flavor of the drink. Recall that the soy milk is 75 cents additional charge for a 16-ounce drink. Now watch what happens when I change the drink over from a 16 ounce to a 20 ounce. The soy milk is now $1 instead of 75 cents. In iTab, there is unparalleled flexibility when it comes to your menu. Since you need to add more soy milk to a 20 ounce drink, then we need to charge a little bit more as well. In this example, we have a tiered pricing on a single modifier, being non-dairy options, that vary in relation to the size of the drink. Even though we grouped all dairy and non-dairy modifiers together, not all of these options have an additional charge. If you go with the standard dairy option, such as whole milk, there is no additional charge for it. In summary, you can have a variable modifier pricing on an entire modifier group, or only the select modifiers within a group. Our customer is ready to pay, and he hands me the total in cash, so I'm going to hit the Payments button to bring up the Payments window. Jerry's been a long-time customer, and he's racked up quite a bit of loyalty points that he can use towards his order. Right now he has $220 worth of loyalty points. However, our loyalty program only allows you to use $15 per order per day. iTab has built-in loyalty programs, allowing you to set up the rules for accruing points as well as how they're redeemed. Let's go ahead and click the loyalty button, and you can see that a $15 amount has been subtracted from his loyalty points. He still has a balance of $4.21, and he's going to pay the rest of that with cash. So I'm going to go ahead and press the cash button, and now the balance is fulfilled. Once I hit the submit button, it takes us to our receipt screen where we can either text, email, or print the receipt copy. And that's it. Thank you for watching. For more information about our products and services, call us today. Start your free 2-week trial by visiting itabpos.com.